Namaskar and welcome to the series of Astro Vastu. We are trying to make you understand step by step how Astro Vastu works in our life. Let's try to understand what is the meaning of anti-elements. One element not supporting the other one. For example, when we compare water and fire elements, then we will say water is a non-supporter of fire, or it is anti-element to fire. For example, if a fire is burning and we pour water on it, what will happen? Fire will stop. That means water extinguishes or stops fire. So water and fire elements, they are anti to each other. Let's try to understand this in a more deeper way. Suppose in the water zone, which is the water zone? It is the north direction of our house or of our workplace. If in the water zone or in the north direction we put fire elements, it is going to disturb the attributes of that zone. What are the attributes of that zone? The opportunities in our life, our clients, our finances. So if we are in the service sector, then there is a possibility that less of the opportunities of services is coming. The finance is not good. The opportunities of getting more clients is less. And why this is happening? Because you have introduced the fire element in the zone of water elements, and both of them are anti. They are not supporting each other, rather they are destroying the attributes of each other. What you don't have to do, you don't have to put anything related with fire in the north zone or the water zone. And what is the fire thing? The kitchen should not be introduced in the northern zone. Any red color should not be there. The curtains of red color should not be there, or the rat family. Any painting that is representing fire should not be there. And many more examples can be there which can be included as a representation of the fire. I hope you're clear what is the meaning of not bringing the anti-elements in the zone of any area in our life. Next comes the fire and metal relationship. Metal means space. Fire does not support the space element. Why? Because if fire is introduced to the metal, what will happen? The metal will melt. Fire is going to disturb the metal zone or the space zone. So it is advised that not to put the fire element or representation of fire in the space zone, so that the imbalance is not created. What is a metal zone? Metal zone is related with the west direction, a direction of planet Saturn. It is related with the fulfillment of our desires. It is related with the profits and gains we acquire in life. So if you disturb the metal zone or the space zone or the west direction of our house by introducing the fire element there in the form of red color or in the form of kitchen, what will happen? All those attributes of the west direction will slow down and there will be a kind of imbalance created in our life. Similarly, when we talk about water and earth, what happens if you have an earth that is a soil and you put more water there? A dampness is created. The attributes of earth will be destroyed. What are the attributes of the earth zone? Earth zone, that is the southwest direction, it is related with the stability in our life, stability in our relationship. It is related with the ancestors' blessings. So when you disturb the southwest direction by introducing the water element there in the form of any picture related to fountains or rivers, or you put a blue color over there, or blue curtains are introduced there, what is going to happen? It is going to bring instability in our life, instability in our relationship, in our career, and the life is going to get disturbed. Vice versa, earth is also a non-supporter or anti-element when it's come to water. What happens if the water is flowing and you put earth or sand in front of it? The path of the water will block. Like we create a dams on water bodies, we stop the flow of the water. So if in the north zone the earth element is introduced, that is going again to disturb the attributes of the north zone. What is north zone? Opportunities, the finances. It's a place of finances, Kuber Sthan. So introducing paintings of mountain, introducing yellow color in blue color zone or water element zone, we are going to disbalance the attributes of the north. This is how we understand the anti activities of elements. So there is nothing to learn, it is just to understand the logic behind what is the meaning of support and what is the meaning of anti activities of one element towards the other. If that is a clarity in your mind, then you will understand very easily that which zone is related to which element and which element is supporting it, which element is not supporting it. In if this vision is clear, we can definitely balance the vastu or the place where we are living. This is how the direction, the elements, and the zones are related in our life. In our upcoming videos, we are going to move a step forward towards the Astro Vastu. Stay tuned so that you get a lot of insight of more knowledge. Thank you.